Do your kids get on each other's nerves? Do they just lay around the house being bored, grabbing snacks right out of the bag? Oh, I bet this stresses you out just like it stresses out the chickens. Well, if your kids are being lazy and need an attitude adjustment, then let Real Food Fun save the day. Welcome to the Kid Power Kitchen, where kids have the power to do the cooking. It's fun and oh so delicious. Today's recipe is a sweet corn and blueberry salad with jalapeños, cilantro, red onions, and cucumber. This is an easy-to-assemble recipe, mixing vibrant summer flavors that'll be certain to dazzle your taste buds. If your kids are old enough to handle a knife, put them to work chopping those red onions and the cucumber. It's best to use a knife that's the right size for each chef. Also, place your ingredients flat side down to make the chopping easier. Now once you got those bite-sized pieces, just add them to the bowl. Great. Younger chefs, they love to taste the ingredients for quality control. Hey little chef, do you like those blueberries? Great. Once your little chef has approved those berries, toss them into the bowl and repeat with the sweet corn. Roasting your corn on the cob first is a smart move, but any corn will do. Next, chop up that cilantro and scrape it into the bowl just in time to mug the camera with that sweet, satisfactory grin. Chopping the jalapeños is a job for adults. I recommend removing the seeds and wearing a glove to protect your fingers and tongue from too much heat, but if heat is your jam, then just go for it. Now all that's left to do is to add the dressing. Let each of the kids take a crack at squeezing the limes. Who can squeeze the hardest? Oh, this one's using a juicer. That's smart. Yep, be sure to help the little ones get all the juice out of their lime. Great. Now, it's time to add the honey. You can measure exactly or just wing it like I do, because, you know, honey is yummy. Then, let's add the final ingredients. There's the cumin. You might give each chef a chance to add an ingredient. This chef's gonna add the salt. And finally, our littlest chef is gonna add the pepper. Great. Now, all you gotta do is shake it up. I like to use a mason jar for my dressings because you can just screw on the lid and there's no mess. Yep, just give it a shake. Mix up all those flavors. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Everyone loves to shake the dressing. When you're done shaking it up, it's time to pour it on all over the salad. Then, just give it a stir, and we're nearly there. It's best, I suppose, to let that dressing soak in a bit, but you certainly don't have to if you got hungry chefs ready to eat. It's time for the taste test. Do your kids approve? Is it delicious? Well, I hope you love it. But if you don't, remember to set a good example for younger chefs because they'll pick up on cues from your reactions. Hey little one, would you like to give it a try? In the case of this salad, it's sure to be a success. Yep, all the chefs agree. And with a nutrient-rich snack, your kids will have the energy they need for success. Wow! Let's see that leap again in slow motion. Whoa! One more time! Awesome! Kids, you've got all the power you need to feel great with real food.